Well, you can still see Metallica perform live, even if you can't make their show in Baltimore next week.
Yeah, this is a pretty cool idea. The heavy metal band's going to broadcast the rehearsal session live on Facebook. This is the night before the show. The rehearsal will begin streaming at 9 o'clock, one day before the concert, which is going to be at M&T Bank Stadium 1 week from tonight. It's a Facebook Live performance. It's going to include 4 songs, including the latest single, Now That We're Dead. I have not heard that one yet. I mean, I hope they include Shortest Straw on there. I like that one.
You like that one?
You know, yeah. Battery's a good one back in the day. But I'm not sure what
That's your band, right? You like Metallica.
I like the Metallica. I'm not going to go to the concert because it's kind of not conducive to the morning show sleeping schedule, but it would be cool.